Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to make some page kits, but this is the Kringle edition because I'm working on my December album and I really want to get it done this year and get it done on time. And what I'm going to do is I make the page kits during the week or on the weekend, and then on Thursday, every Thursday, I go live and we put these page kits together. Now, last Thursday, we put 4 together, so you can go, here on my channel, go under the live tab, and you'll see, us putting 4 page kits together, or 4 pages together. And I don't want to not waste, but I want to spend time making page kits during the live because I actually want to get the pages done. Today is December 7th and I think I have 11 pages done. So I'm still ahead of the game, right? But by next Thursday, I'm going to be behind because a whole week will have gone by. But I hope to have some page kits done and then we can do at least 4 pages on Thursday. I keep thinking that I'm going to be able to spend more than 2 hours, but man, there's other things to do, for Christmas too. So I'm kind of juggling everything. So if I can at least get 4 done, what did I figure out? There's 3 left. So 12 and I have 11. Or maybe now I have 7. No, because I did 3 the first time, 4 the second time, and then 4 more. So that's 11. So if I can do 4 times 3, that's 23 done out of the 31. Awesome. I mean, I still have to put the pictures in and that. Oh, okay. I thought it was all Christmas, but it's not. So I'll take all the 4 Christmas ones out, I guess. And we'll do a page with this. So what was I saying? I'll do the 4. Okay, let me take a second here and see what I have. Okay. Kind of threw me off because I thought this was a whole thing, just Christmas. So I'm like, what? But maybe I can do 2. Hopefully I can do 2. That would be awesome. Yeah, I can do 2 pages. Yes, that'll be good. So we'll do 2 out of the 3 using these. And, okay, so we'll do that. We'll do these for now. So yes, I'm still going to have to put the pictures in. And surprisingly, that takes a long time. Like it really does. So I want to make sure to at least get this done. And then maybe I'll try to, I don't know, maybe the last Thursday, maybe start putting pages together. I don't know. Or I can just make videos of me putting the pictures in. And I was hoping to get 2022 done because 2022, the pages are all there. I just got to put pictures in. And that's how I know because, man, I think it took us like a few hours and I only got a couple pictures in, a couple pages done. And I was like, oh, maybe this is going to take me longer than I thought. And printing the photos take time and all that stuff. So, we'll get it done though. But by doing this, at least I'm kind of preparing, and then the day that I put this page together, because I like to decorate it a bit, So the day that I put this together, it's like I can get 1 done every half hour. And if I had to choose the cards and all that, there's no way. So this way, You know, this takes me maybe 20 to 30 minutes to do three. And then I'm going to just put the page together. But at least it saves sometimes. Okay, there's 2 kits in there. So if I put this with that, there should be enough stuff in there to be okay with this. And what I'm doing is I have these little cellophane bags, and I put this in there, and then I take one of these and I hold it together. And then the day of, I just, you know, grab one and just get to town. Or go to town. Can you tell I'm feeling rushed? Dave and Mason went, or Mason's hockey team, everybody bought 5 different things, 5 of each, and it's for a youth group, like a youth home. And so they went to deliver it this morning. I really wanted to go, but I'm like, I have to work. I would love to go, but I have to work because Mason has a game this afternoon. So I'm like, okay, I have to choose, like, do I go to the game or do I go, you know, to that? So I chose this game, and I told Dave to take pictures, and I'm spending, you know, kind of the morning with you, filming a whole bunch of videos for YouTube for next week. So I kind of divided my week now, so at least I know, okay, this is what I'm going to do. On Thursdays, I film for YouTube, and then on Saturday and Sunday, and then on Fridays, I film for Patreon all day. And then Saturday and Sunday, I kind of do a mix of both. I do some Patreon and some YouTube. And then I get all my videos done. Yesterday, I started editing videos at 2. And I edited till 11 last night. But I have a whole bunch of videos edited, so that's good. And all scheduled up to upload. Some on YouTube, some on Patreon. So that's, you know. Oh, and that's not true. I uploaded edited for a couple hours, and then I worked on the store. I had to edit some pictures it took me about 3 hours, and then I went back to editing. Sometimes you have to switch your focus because your brain is just dead. So if you switch what you're doing, then you have, you know, more oomph in you. Plus, when I'm just editing photos, I was able to, oh, wait. Do I want to do this? Like all these guys? Maybe. Kind of do a fun one. I wish I had a little bit more, but I think I have enough. Let's see if there's another like fun one in here that would coordinate with that. But there's quite a bit of stuff here. And that's what I'm trying to do too, to try to kind of speed it along. I have a Rascog that's just focused on Christmas stuff, and I have all my Christmas stuff in there. So now instead of like 1, 1, 1, I have to cut up some more digital files. I'm running low. I have a lot of certain things, but I'm running low of, you know, the different things. And so what I'm doing is kind of throwing just that with that. Oh, I forgot to put cardstock with the other one. I knew that went kind of fast. So we need to put cardstock with this. But what I like is, oh, this would go well with that too. By doing that, then, you know, there's a theme for a whole page, and then I can just put it together. And even though like it seems pretty fast, but when I'm doing a live and I also have to pick the theme, it does take me a bit of time. So by cutting this part out does help. So now I'm going to get, I don't know if I have red cardstock in here, but I definitely have white. And then the other one I need also, I need green. So I got white here, I got green, and I'll just pause you and I'm gonna go get some red. Okay, so what I like to do is cut them like at 4 inches, 4 inches, and then 3. And then, so I'll just put one little thing in this one because I'm gonna put green also in there and then also white. And I'll divide it between the two, right? So I'll put green here and I'll put red like that, and I'll do the same with the white. And then I'll just cut the sizes that I want at the time. I'm doing really good at taking pictures. I think yesterday was the least, and I think I had 17, which is still pretty good, right? So today I have to remember to take a little bit more. I should take pictures of doing this because, you know, it helps. And what I do too is because I do a lot of videos, I'll play the video and then take pictures from there too. Because it's all stuff that I'm doing, right? So, okay. So this, I'm happy with this, you know. I can make some nice, cute little pages. And you know what? I was going through my albums. I actually filmed them for all of you. And one will go up, you know, every couple days or something. And I really enjoy going through those albums. So I'm like, I really need to get this done. And then there's 1 year, I had only done 4 days. And I was like, what? No. So I don't know if I can go back because it was like 11 years ago. So could I find the pictures for that? I don't know. So all I can do is from now on, I want to make sure that I kind of, you know, do it. Now, ooh, should I maybe do this? Maybe I can use some of these too. Because there's 4 by 4, but I can put them there and then just put like a 4 by 6 underneath. Why not? I really want to make sure. Ooh, yes. Okay, there's 4. Perfection. Was there any more? Yes, there was. 4 by 6 or 3 by 4s. So we will use some of those. Oh, look at that. I just need one more. I think I'd like a red one, but if there isn't, we'll just go with it. Or maybe I can do this and kind of separate those when I'm happy with that. Happy, happy, happy. Now I have to find some cards, like some 4 by 6 cards to put underneath those. Oh, that's gonna look pretty. Okay, now maybe this one I can do a green. A green. I just like finding different places to get the stuff, like get the supplies. And it just kind of changes it up. And I really like that. Should I put red and green here? Or should I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to put blue. Or maybe this one. Yeah, I think I like this one better. And then this one here, I like green. It really doesn't matter, but it's just because it's red there, so I think I'd like green. If I can find green. Or maybe this. It's green. And then same thing, I'm just gonna grab a sticker sheet. Yeah, that's perfect. It's got hollies, and there's hollies on that. I'm gonna grab a sticker sheet, and we're gonna call this good. And I just wanna, you know, one, encourage you, if you've never tried it before, it is so fun. And it doesn't have to be so time consuming that you're like, you know, I don't have any time to do anything else. And it does a couple things. It motivates me to take more pictures. So I find every year that I really put a focus on this, then the rest, you know, I start off the year good, you know. I take lots of pictures, which is good because sometimes I find like I'm lacking on that. And two, later on, they're so fun to look at. But I want to show that it doesn't have to take so long that, you know, you feel like, okay. The month of December, that's all I do. And I just have way too many other things to do, right? So right now, I'm dedicating, you know, Thursday, a couple of hours. And then this week, I did twice that I did kit creation. And it's because I'm doing 4, and I'm, you know, when I do on Thursdays, and I don't have a build up. So I'm always running out. So I figured if I do 2 of this week, then, you know, I'll be a little ahead of the game. And then next week, I'll only have to do it once. Okay, this is sticky. Okay, let's find, it's kind of like, I saw a lot of like this kind of style of stickers, and I think that would go really well with that too. Like I did a fun one, and now I want to do like a more like, you know, old Santa Claus. Old-fashioned, not old, old-fashioned Santa Claus. This is fun. I could maybe use this. And there's a lot of embellishments. I like that. This is fun too. Do I want this? Oh, this is fun too. But there's not a lot left here. And there's not a lot left here. So, I think I'm going to go with that one. And there's so much stuff there. I can just fill all those cards and be happy with that. And then I don't have to go from one thing to another, you know? Okay. Well, I'm happy with those 3 page kits, if you will. And then next Thursday, when I go to put page kits or pages together, I'll have, what did I do? 3. I'll have 6. So I'll have plenty. Because last Thursday I had to make some on the fly. And it went okay, but I'd rather have them done ahead of time. Because even, you know, I did 6 or 4 of them. But if I wouldn't have had to make some, I probably could have done 5 or 6. So it's all about the production. So I think now we're going to end this here. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.